Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Honor X8 device, and now I'm gonna show you how to record calls on the smartphone. So firstly, you need to download the Cube ACR application from the Play Store. So find it in the Play Store, click Next, grant permissions while using allow, enable app connector, scroll down, choose Cube ACR app connector, enable it, okay, go it, hello, no, thanks, okay, click on the cross in the top corner, then go back to the home screen, click on the square button if you have navigation buttons, if you have gestures navigation, so you need to swipe from down to up and hold, then you will open the recent apps, find your Cube ACR and swipe it from up to down. And here you will see the lock button. As you can see, I have here a lock button, and in this way your Cube ACR app will always in RAM, and it means that all your calls will be automatically recorded. But you need to remember that if you have no root access on your device, so Cube ACR app will record only sounds from the external microphone. So if you want to pick up your voice and voice of your communication partner, you need to use speaker mode when calling. That's it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you, and bye. See you.